Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD, a historic financial turning point. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong on February 1st, 2025. The long-anticipated revaluation, RV, of the Iraqi dinar, IQD, and Vietnamese dong, VND, has finally been confirmed, marking February 1st, 2025, as a pivotal date in global financial history. This event is expected to drastically reshape the international economic landscape by addressing global financial imbalances and fostering economic equity. With years of speculation finally coming to fruition, the revaluation of these two currencies is set to empower emerging markets, stimulate international investment, and enhance global financial stability. The announcement carries profound implications, not only for Iraq and Vietnam, but for the entire global economic system. This article explores the significance of this development, the journey leading to this moment, and its potential impact on global finance, markets, and economic inclusivity. The context of the revaluation: a step toward financial equity. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong marks a transformative moment in international finance. Historically, developed nations such as the United States, Japan, and key members of the European Union have dominated global financial systems. Conversely, emerging markets, particularly those in the Middle East and Southeast Asia, have struggled to gain equal footing. Currencies are more than mere financial tools. They are indicators of a nation's economic health and global standing. For years, the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong have been undervalued, failing to reflect the progress both nations have made in modernizing their economies. This revaluation acknowledges these advancements and lays the groundwork for further economic development. The event has garnered endorsements from key global figures, including former U.S. President Donald Trump, who underscored its importance as a strategic financial reset. Trump framed the revaluation as a critical step toward rebalancing the global economic order, fostering inclusivity, and addressing long-standing inequities in the international monetary system. Iraq's economic evolution: a story of resilience and growth. Iraq's journey to this historic milestone has been marked by resilience, determination, and economic reform. Despite decades of political instability, wars, and security challenges, Iraq has steadily rebuilt its economy, laying the foundation for the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has played a pivotal role in this transformation by implementing key financial reforms, modernizing its banking systems, and enhancing transparency. These measures have restored confidence in Iraq's financial infrastructure and attracted interest from international investors. In recent years, Iraq has embraced digital banking technologies and improved regulatory frameworks, positioning itself as a more attractive destination for foreign investment. The nation's rich natural resources, particularly oil reserves, have further bolstered its economic stability. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar is a testament to the country's progress. By increasing the value of its currency, Iraq will enhance its global economic standing, attract foreign investment, and stimulate international trade. This milestone reflects Iraq's emergence as a significant player in the global economy, ready to capitalize on new opportunities for growth and development. Vietnam's financial renaissance: from challenges to triumph. Vietnam's journey toward economic transformation mirrors that of Iraq in its determination and success. Over the past few decades, Vietnam has overcome significant challenges, including high inflation, political transitions, and periods of economic uncertainty. Through visionary leadership and strategic reforms, Vietnam has emerged as one of the world's fastest-growing economies. The Vietnamese government has prioritized financial reforms aimed at expanding trade and attracting foreign investment. Policies fostering economic openness have enabled the nation to modernize its infrastructure, develop key industries, and achieve sustained growth. Today, Vietnam is recognized as a rising economic powerhouse in Southeast Asia. The revaluation of the Vietnamese dong symbolizes Vietnam's progress and its readiness to play a larger role in the global financial system. By adjusting the value of its currency, Vietnam will attract increased foreign investment, strengthen its economic stability, and unlock new opportunities for businesses and investors. The revaluation reflects Vietnam's success in positioning itself as a competitive and influential player on the international stage. The global implications of the revaluation. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong is not just a regional development. It is a global event with far-reaching implications. By increasing the value of these currencies, the global financial system takes a significant step toward a more balanced and equitable structure. Emerging markets like Iraq and Vietnam will gain the tools needed to compete more effectively with developed nations, paving the way for greater economic inclusivity. This revaluation is expected to empower these nations to attract foreign direct investment, expand international trade, and achieve long-term economic growth. The United States has played a crucial role in facilitating this financial transformation. In collaboration with international financial institutions, the U.S. has supported the revaluation process as part of a broader strategy to promote global economic cooperation. This initiative reflects a commitment to fostering equity and stability in the global financial system. For investors, the revaluation presents a unique and potentially lucrative opportunity. Holders of the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong are expected to see significant returns, as the currency's values rise to reflect the economic progress of their respective nations. However, navigating this process requires preparation, including proper documentation and a clear understanding of exchange procedures. Key benefits of the revaluation. 1. Strengthening emerging markets. The revaluation empowers Iraq and Vietnam to solidify their positions as rising economic powers. By increasing the value of their currencies, both nations will attract foreign capital, bolster investor confidence, and enhance their roles in global trade. 2. Enhancing economic stability. A stronger currency can reduce reliance on foreign debt and improve financial stability, providing Iraq and Vietnam with greater economic independence. 3. Promoting global equity. The revaluation represents a step toward leveling the economic playing field between developed and emerging nations. This shift promotes greater inclusivity in the global financial system, enabling more nations to participate meaningfully in international trade and investment. 4. Opportunities for investors. Currency holders and investors stand to benefit from substantial appreciation in the values of the IQD and VND. The revaluation offers a rare chance to capitalize on this historic financial adjustment. Challenges and considerations. While the revaluation of the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong holds great promise, it is not without challenges. The process requires careful coordination between governments, central banks, and international financial institutions to ensure a smooth transition. Additionally, the revaluation may lead to temporary market volatility as global investors adjust to the new economic landscape. Governments must remain vigilant in managing inflationary pressures and maintaining economic stability during this transformative period. For individuals and investors, preparation is key. Proper documentation, including proof of purchase and identification, will be essential for currency exchanges. Staying informed about the latest developments and seeking professional advice can help ensure a seamless experience. Celebrations and anticipation. As February 1st, 2025 approaches, excitement is building in Iraq, Vietnam, and beyond. Celebrations are planned across both nations, where government officials, investors, and financial experts will gather to mark this historic milestone. The revaluation is not just a financial event, it is a celebration of resilience, progress, and international collaboration. This moment reflects the hard work and determination of Iraq and Vietnam in overcoming challenges and positioning themselves as key players in the global economy. It also underscores the power of global cooperation in fostering economic inclusivity and addressing long-standing inequities. What this means for the future. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong marks the beginning of a new era in global finance. By addressing imbalances in the international monetary system, this event sets the stage for a more inclusive and equitable economic order. For Iraq and Vietnam, The revaluation represents a turning point in their financial histories, enabling them to unlock new opportunities for growth, development, and prosperity. For investors and businesses, it offers a unique chance to participate in a once-in-a-lifetime financial transformation. Beyond its immediate impact, the revaluation serves as a symbol of hope and progress. It reflects the potential for emerging markets to thrive alongside developed nations, creating a more balanced and stable global economy. Final thoughts. February 1st, 2025 will be remembered as a landmark date in global financial history. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong is not just an adjustment of currency values. It is a transformative shift that will shape the future of global finance for years to come.